Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. No deposit bonuses in Forex trading are promotional offers provided by brokers, allowing new traders to start trading without depositing their own funds. These bonuses typically give traders a small amount of credit to trade live markets, providing an opportunity to experience real trading conditions and potentially profit. However, withdrawals of profits are often subject to specific conditions, such as reaching a minimum trade volume. While no deposit bonuses can be an attractive way to start trading with no financial risk, it is always important to carefully review the terms and conditions of these offers. Traders who are searching for some of the best no deposit bonuses Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex, a renowned online Forex broker, stands as a global leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services for traders and investors worldwide. Established with a commitment to innovation and excellence, InstaForex has emerged as a trusted platform for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments that cater to the dynamic needs of traders on its platform. These instruments include Forex, shares, indices, commodity futures, oil and gas, cryptocurrencies, and InstaFutures. Whether traders are looking to engage in short-term intraday trading or adopt a long-term investment approach, InstaForex's diverse range of currency pairs caters to various trading styles and preferences. InstaForex offers a state-of-the-art trading experience through its versatile and user-friendly trading platforms, providing traders with powerful tools to navigate the dynamic financial markets. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 platform, the MetaTrader 5 platform, the multi-terminal trading platform, and their proprietary WebTrader trading platform. Whether traders are novices or seasoned professionals, the InstaForex platforms caters to a diverse range of trading styles and preferences for those who prioritize accessibility and functionality in their trading activities. Traders can choose from an array of trading account types, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance their trading experience. These accounts include the Insta and Cent, Standard and Eureka accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, InstaForex's range of trading platforms and account types ensures that they have the tools and flexibility needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. The broker also offers a wide array of educational resources, which encompasses a variety of formats, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content. These materials cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, offering traders valuable insights into the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex actively also promotes practical learning through demo accounts, allowing traders to apply their required skills in a risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps traders gain confidence and proficiency before venturing into live trading. Overall, InstaForex stands as a distinguished force in the online trading industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to cater to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. With a commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction, InstaForex provides a user-friendly and secure trading environment. Whether one is looking to delve into the world of Forex trading, explore diverse financial instruments, or enhance their trading skills, InstaForex offers a dynamic and supportive ecosystem. The broker's continuous efforts to stay at the forefront of industry trends, coupled with its global outreach and community engagement, position InstaForex as a leader in fostering a thriving community of informed and successful traders. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. At number 2 on our list is JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, JustMarkets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. JustMarkets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. JustMarkets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. JustMarkets has an account option that suits you, from demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. JustMarkets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content. JustMarkets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. The broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience, from articles and videos to webinars and seminars. Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with no deposit bonuses on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.